Islam actually started in Korea recently. We are just a very short history, 60 years only. Muslim population in Korea have 135,000 Muslims, and 35,000 Muslims, they are ethnic Koreans.
So I actually first visited the Seoul Central Mosque in 2012. I had no idea that Korea even had a masjid, especially in Seoul. So it was really nice to visit, and I actually met a lot of friends at that mosque.
Life in Korea could be very challenging for foreigners, and especially Muslims, hijabi girls, because they don't know much about Muslims, no information about like hijab, like Ramadan, anything at all. So they're very curious. Sometimes it could be nice, you could explain them things.
Actually, this praying it might not look big, but it's really a big meaning to me, because praying not only helps you to perform religion, but it helps you to follow your time schedule. So I became responsible with my time schedule and keeping promises with people. That helped me really a lot.
In Ramadan time, we have Quran competitions, and Ramadan means to me that you must feel how the poor people feel when they don't have food.
Ramadan for me is just about caring, about peaceful time, and being really who I am as a Muslim. Whatever I am missing on the other days, I want to do it on Ramadan. So that's what Ramadan actually is for me. It's the generosity of people, you can see.
네, 안녕하세요. 제 이름은 최대식 우말이고요. 즐거운 라마단 되세요.